In this video, we will be upgrading this computer's memory. First, you want to properly power off the computer using Windows shutdown. Next, you will verify that the light is powered off here. From the back, remove the power cord. Next, we're going to lay the computer on its side. Use the handle to remove the side panel. We'll now locate the empty memory slots here. Push open the clips to the memory slot. Make sure that you line this groove on the memory chip up with the groove here in the memory slot. You want to securely press down with both hands on each end of the memory until you hear a click. Make sure your clips are securely in place. Give them a little push. Now we're just going to replace the side panel. Plug the power cord back in. And then power on the computer. When the computer first boots, you may see a message on a black screen that says the memory size has changed. From there, you can press F1 to continue to a normal boot, and you have upgraded your memory.